Today we can see the problem to find the GCD of 30, 20 using extended Euclidean algorithm. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to find the GCD of these two numbers 30 and 20 using extended Euclidean algorithm. Okay, so here we will consider this A, that is 30, and B as 20. A equal to 30 and B equal to 20. So, we are rewriting this GCD, this number 30 and 20 as GCD of 30, 20 equal to 30x plus 20y. Okay, so this expression, this equation is called as Bezout's identity equation. Okay, so we need to find the GCD of 30, 20. This can be written as 30x plus 20y. This expression is called as Bezout's identity equation. Okay, so to find the GCD, the step 1, okay, the first step we need to find is, so 30 and 20. Okay, in this first step we need to divide 30 by 20. So while dividing 30 by 20, that is 120 is equal to 20 and the remainder is 30. Okay, so this can be written as 30 equal to 1, that is the quotient, 1 into 20, that is the divisor, plus 10, that is the remainder. Now we are having a remainder 10. So again we need to multiply this 20 by 10. Okay, so the second step we need to divide 20 by 10. Okay, so here what we are going to do, here we are going to divide 20 by 10, 20 by 10. Okay, so here the quotient is 2, 2 into 10 equal to 20, so the remainder is 0. Once we received 0, we can stop this step. Okay, so now this 20 can be rewritten as, this 20 can be rewritten as 2, that is the quotient, 2 into, and the divisor, that is 10, and the remainder is 0. Okay, so now this value, so once we received the remainder as 0, we will stop, and this value is the GCD. So now the GCD of 30, 20 equal to 10. Okay, so now we need to work backwards to express this 10 in the combination of 30 and 20. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to do a back propagation algorithm here. So the step 2 is we are going to follow the step 2, we are going to work backwards. That means from 10 to this 20 and 20 to, we are going to find this x and y from this Bezout's identity expressions. Okay, step 2. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to find this 10 using 30 and 20. Okay, we are going to backward, that means from here to here. So we need to express this one from here, we need to express 10 in terms of 30 and 20. Okay, how will you express 10? That is 10 we need to express in terms of 30 and 20. Okay, so if we add 30 plus 20, you will get 50. So you need to get 10 only. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to subtract minus 1 into 20. So that means 30 minus 20, so you will get 10. Okay, so consider this as equation number 2 and consider this B's out equations as equation number 1. Okay, so comparing this equation 1 and 2, I am writing the B's out equations once again, that is GCD of 30 and 20 equal to 30x plus 20y. This is equation number 1. Okay, so comparing this, what is x? That is x is 1, x is 1 and y is minus 1. So such that x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. Once again I am recalling this. So to find the GCD of 30 and 20, step by step we need to multiply, that is 30 by 20. So again we are rewriting this one, again we need to divide that one until you get the remainder 0. That value is the GCD. And in the step 2 we need to do the backwards to find the x and y. That means we need to write this 10 in terms of 30 and 20 and so on. That's it. Thank you.